Hi, it's Sienna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very long awaited video. So as most of you know, I used to have an Amazon wish list, but I have decided to stop doing it. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you an Amazon haul of all the anonymously sent items that I wasn't able to do videos before, but I'm going to show you all of them. And also thank you to all of you who sent them. Sadly, I do not know any of the names of the people who sent them to me, but thank you anyway. I really love all the items. So I'm going to plan out one outfit for each item. So let's go see the first outfit. Is this blue and white kind of cloud print sheer top, and so I wore this white cami top underneath, and I really like this top because you can wear it like both ways because, you know, there's not really any difference. This side has less like cloud or whatever you want to call it, or tie-dye, but then the back has like a whole like spot, so if you want to switch it up, you can just reverse it. And then I paired it with this white flowy skirt, mini skirt if you want to call it, and I made more high-waisted because of course the top is a bit short, and also the bottom kind of has almost this lettuce hem, which I find really cute because I love the lettuce hem for some reason. It's super nice. It's not really on the sleeves either, but it doesn't really matter because I still really love this top because, like, if you know me, one of my favorite colors is blue, so like perfect top for me. So for this third look, I decided to go with a more streetwear look. So I have two items on actually. And I have this black oversized t-shirt with this cute little Hot Wheels print on it. Really love the colors, black, red, and white, blue. Can't forget blue. And then I have this bucket hat. Oh, also just to let you guys know, this is from Shein. I love their stuff, and I just really love this top. Anyway, I got this bucket hat, also from Amazon, and of course from Anonymous, and it is actually double-sided, which I'll show you in a second, but it's a plain black bucket hat for now. And then I decided to pair this outfit with this pair of mom jeans slash baggy jeans, whatever you want to call them, and they're a light wash denim, and they are from Garage. Really love them, super comfy. Really recommend buying a pair of baggy jeans because, you know, it's always nice to have in your wardrobe as a little like basic thing you can pair with anything. And then for the shoes, I decided to stick with that kind of streetwear, almost kind of skater vibe, but I paired it with a pair of black Converse, low rise, low tops, whatever you want to call them. But okay, so this is the first look, right? Super cute, super simple, but then we take the bucket hat, take it off, we flip it around. What's that? A whole new side. Put it on. And then we take the shirt. We tie it a little bit. We tie it up and tuck it in. Fix it a little. Now we have a whole new look, but using the same jeans. So you can get two outfits out of literally one shirt and like one hat, and of course gives you less laundry to do because you can wear it two different ways. And this one's more streetwear than kind of skater because it would be more of my style because I love crop shirts, I love anything that's cropped, and I love bucket hats because they're just a really nice accessory to add on, especially when it's like really colorful. And this one has like cherries on it. Love cherries. I love the color of them. They're just super pretty. But this look, super easy to put together. Like I said, you can change it within a matter of seconds. And so the top is from Amazon, of course Anonymous, and it is this like pink, blue, white tie-dye top, and it's a halter top, and it has this cute little ring right here. It's really cool, and it ties around your neck, and you can adjust the tie of it. You know, if it's too loose, too tight, you can just adjust it. And Then I decided to pair it with a pair of white jeggings, jeans, whatever you want to call them. They are stretchier pair of jeans, so I'm going to call them jeggings. And then to top it all off, I paired it with my pair of white Fila Disruptors, just to go with kind of white theme. And this is a very kind of boho, kind of classic, comfy, more like comfier outfit. And you can really just wear this to like an event, a party. You can wear it to the mall, or you can just wear it around the house if you want to have something comfy but still look super stylish. You know, this is the right outfit for you. So this is the second to last outfit, and the top is from Amazon, and it is kind of like the blue one. It is a sheer top, except this one's really cool because it is kind of like a color blocking top. It's two different colors, which is purple and pink, like hot pink, and of course one side purple, one side pink, slash all this other stuff, and I really like it. And so for this outfit, I decided to, you know, put on a shirt underneath, because of course you can if you want, but it is, like I said, it is a mesh sheer kind of top, so you know, you gotta watch out for it being too see-through, because of course you can see right through it. And then I paired it with these black pair of cargos, and they are a loose fit, and they do flare out at the bottom, so you know, it's nice to wear like a pair of higher up shoes if they do fit too long and stuff like that. But for some reason I've been like in love with cargos right now. Like I have like 4 pairs, and like all of them are like the same color. Not sure, but I really love them. And this one, they have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets. You know, you can never have too many pockets, as I say. But I really love the look of this outfit. It's super like comfy, and it's super just like plain, but also like really out there, especially with the top colors, because they just really pop and looks really nice with the black. So once again, thank you to all of the people who bought me all of these amazing clothing items. I am very thankful, and I'm so sorry that I couldn't mention your name, but of course I just wanted to let you know that I'm grateful for all of these wonderful clothing items. You guys are so amazing, and I'm very thankful for all of you who have been supporting me throughout my, you know, YouTube channel years, however long. And, you know, hi to all of the new people, if I didn't say that. But thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.